All right, we just had a nice meeting where we watched Ben Glinsky, Nader Kazan, and Ryan, Dr. Ryan, and his wife, Lisa Goodkin. I like Thursdays because we learn a lot about the company. Friday, too. LiveGood is very good at doing a lot of live Zooms, and you can watch them live. They're always noon Eastern because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida, but they're recorded, too. You can always go to the LiveGood website. You can go to my YouTube channel. I record everything we do because I know that 99% of this world is not going to be able to watch live. Okay, so since today is, let's see, February 6th of 2025, I can give you just a quick review, maybe a quick update, something like that, as I sit here excited that I made it to the noon hour. So anyway, cheers, guys. It's always nice to have you guys just drop by and say hi, especially if you're already in LiveGood. And if you're not, I like to give advice and just some techniques on how I get people to sign up just about every week, every month. Okay, I got 405 as I just checked my leaderboard results. But yeah, 405 people have joined just me. Okay, just your boy here in a white shirt from Walmart and a white hat that I just got from Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. So anyway, let's just describe what LiveGood is. Okay, it's a great company based out of Jupiter, Florida. We said ready, set, go about February 13th of 2022. Okay, that's when the products and the affiliate opportunity kicked off. Okay, so here we are 2 months and about, 2 years and 2 months. And boy, we've signed up well over 1.7 going on 1.8 million members and affiliates. Okay, and that's worldwide. Okay, so wherever you live on this planet, if you have internet access, I'm pretty darn sure that you can do this business. Okay, I live in Utah, right at the bottom of Mount Olympus, and I don't have a lot of experience with online marketing or affiliate marketing or MLM, whatever you want to call it. But what I do have is almost 2 years experience of just simplifying things and making LiveGood as simple as possible, not overanalyzing things, not buying a bunch of tools and software where you got to study for 1 to 2 to 3 months and then try to automate and try to just spend as much brain and money things as possible. Okay, I'm more worried about your brain cells, okay, because you can always make more money, but you can't buy more brain cells. So don't waste the brain power and don't get fatigued and intimidated by thinking you have to do a lot of Zoom meetings and you have to host things in your living room like the old days. Okay, you don't have to do that. This is what I do. I invite people to watch a video, and the video's already made. You don't have to do a darn video. Not if you don't want to. Now, I like to do these because I have a YouTube channel, and I have a couple things I do to make LiveGood really kick butt. Okay, so I like to turn on my webcam and just talk like this for like 5 to 10 minutes. And I always invite you guys to click something to watch something. Okay, so let me show you what the LiveGood website looks like if you're not in LiveGood already. Okay, and how I get you guys to the LiveGood capture page, which I'll show you, is just by inviting you guys to joincory.com. I always get simple domains. I own over 91 of them with GoDaddy. I think they're the best as far as hosting and getting domains. And for free, GoDaddy bounces joincory.com to the LiveGood capture page. All right, so when I say click something and watch something, that's what I mean. You click joincory.com and then you watch a video on the capture page. So why don't we just go ahead and I'll show you what joincory.com looks like. And you're going to have this identical page too. Okay. This handsome guy here is pointing to the video. People watch this video. That's it. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about the products and, of course, the affiliate side, how you can earn money, our pay plan, and everything. He does it in 6 minutes. It's short, it's sweet, and it works. We've signed up over 1.8 million people this way. Now, if you want more information, people put in their name and email and put reserve my position. That just means, hey, you're in the system, but if you want to join, you still got to get your credit card, get a username set up, and everything else. So When you get the Live Good email, after clicking this orange button, you can join right away. Just open up the email, follow the instructions, username, password, it's up to you. We have, let's see, Visa, MasterCard, what is it called? Debit card too. And we also take cryptocurrency because a lot of countries don't have banks on every corner. And I didn't really realize that. I just always have done business, I guess, in America here or Canada. But a lot of people use cryptocurrency. They just go online, go on their phone. So you can go ahead and configure your account with crypto. Okay, guys? So relax when it comes to payment. That's pretty exciting, especially when it's worldwide. Okay, 24 hours a day, guys. This website never shuts down. The opportunity is right there for everybody. And of course, the whole website to Live Good is configured so any language. Now, I'm going to show you just the Live Good website. This is my own website. Yours is going to be identical. See this top left area where it says select language? Let's just pick, I don't know, do you guys speak? I'm just looking here. How about Danish? Okay, do you see how the whole website just converted for you guys? All right, I don't know Danish. Okay, I know Danish is that you eat like donuts, but I don't know how to speak Danish. But let's go to, how about, do you speak, all right, I'm looking right here. What's a popular, how about Persian? All right, I don't even know what Persian, look at that. Boy, that is amazing, isn't it? Look at that. So if you speak Persian, then go ahead and just hit this little thing here, okay? Now, I'm going to have to go back to English because I don't know what I'm doing unless it's in English, okay? So when I go to the shop button, or in your case, the products, just look at all the products. Check them out. Hit the white rectangle. It tells you about all the ingredients, the pricing, how to use each product, and comparable products too. You'll see we're by far the cheapest with the most expensive ingredients. We beat everyone 30 to 70% off anybody online. That's because for $10 a month, all right, we're a wholesale-based company through membership. Okay, so go to the products and check them out. Order some too if you'd like. Go to the FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Look at all those questions that are answered. Just click any one of those questions and then go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your web page. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. If your screen's a little smaller, the word affiliate, I noticed, disappears. But here it says pay plan. Let's click it. All right, and look at that. 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. You don't have to buy any products during commissions with us. Isn't that nice? So put away your $200 or $300 or $500 a month. Okay, you don't have to do that with us. Go to the very bottom though and watch this video. It's awesome. It describes the comp plan by far the best. So here's 3 things I suggest. Okay, pay plan at the bottom of the web page. All right, affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Watch this video. Scroll up to the FAQ. Remember, it's just right there. Boom. And then the products. I think just those 3 things alone, you can decide, do you want to participate in Live Good? Okay? But it all starts right here. And I hope you copy me and do exactly what I do because it's all about duplication. All right? We want to get hundreds, if not thousands of people in our downline, right? Okay. Click that button. It's a YouTube video. Just relax. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And if you like what you see, put your name and email address in there. Okay, you'll get 1 email for 30 days about Live Good. And if you want to opt out anytime, guys. You know how to go to the bottom of an email and just click unsubscribe. Okay? But isn't it nice to know that if you do join Live Good, that this company has a built-in autoresponder? Because most people have no idea how to configure Aweber, get response, systems, leads leap. There's a lot out there. Okay? I would rather have this company do all your auto responding. And you should put in your own email. That way you get an email every day. And I want you to just read them and see how well they're written. And you can use those emails to go ahead and send out to maybe your own list or to a friend. All right, rewrite them a little bit. You don't need to copy exactly. But I like that because I know that 99.9% of people that join or look into my business, they're not going to know how to do auto responding. Okay. Personally, I can't stand it. If Live Good will do all my auto respond messages, thank you. All right, guys, there it is. There's my business card. $25 I made at Vistaprint, $5 shipping. Joincory.com I bought for about $11 on GoDaddy, and I just forwarded it to my Live Good capture page, which is that link right there. See, my username is Cory Draper. Boom, Cory J. Draper. So whatever your username, you decide. You're going to have this identical link. And like I said, if you want a copy, and go ahead and get yourself a nice little business card like this and get a domain name. And it's up to you if you want to put your name and email. Okay, but I like getting email messages. I can always answer them when I have time. So Cory at CoryDraper.com, you can see it on my business card there, okay? All right, that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think you can tell I'm a pretty big fan of this Live Good thing, okay? So far, so good, guys. All right, have a good day, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon, and watch this next video. Thanks. Bye.